So we're demonstrating a phone technique. So I've got you on phone, or I've got you on a video link where the video's gone out, so I can't see you. So we're looking at an example where you can only hear me and I can only hear you. So let's just begin. So did you get the picture of the tapping points that I sent you?
Yes, I did.
And the video of the 9 gamut?
Yes.
So you've watched those and you're familiar?
Yes.
Excellent. So just before we start, I want to go through those points to make sure that you have got them right. So the first point is the side of the hand under the little finger, which we used to call the karate chop point. Have you got that point?
Yep.
And then the next point is the top of the head, so right in the middle of the head, like you're a puppet on a string.
Yep.
And the next one's the start of the hairs of the eyebrow, so above the nose, either one side or the other.
Yep.
The next one's the bone at the corner of the eye.
Yes.
And then the bone under the pupil. And then the fleshy part under the nose.
Yep.
Then the crease under the chin, under the lip. So we call that the chin point. And then the collarbone is where you feel, if you run your fingers along the collarbone into the centre, and you feel the little knobbles there.
Yep.
If you come down about 1 centimetre or so and slightly out diagonally, there's 2 little hollows. So you can tap on one hollow or both of those hollows.
Yep.
And that's called collarbone. Then under the arm, about 100 millimetres, around about where the bra strap is, that's the underarm point. Now the 9 gamut points is on the top of the hand, between the little finger and the ring finger, about 1 centimetre in to the hand. There's a little V there. It's tapping on that. And there's 9 movements that we do when we're tapping on the 9 gamut point, on the gamut point.
Yeah.
So that's when you keep your head still, you're focusing on the issue, you close your eyes, you open your eyes, you look hard down to the left, you look hard down to the right, you circle your eyes slowly in one direction, you circle your eyes slowly in the other direction, you hum happy birthday, you count quickly to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hum happy birthday, and why we do all of that is that we're scanning different parts of the brain by going to the left brain for singing, the right brain for singing, the left brain for counting, and all the different eye movements are searching different parts of the brain for where this issue is stored. So I already explained to you about why we use tapping when we first spoke.
Yeah.
So what's the issue that you wanted to work on today?
I've got some blisters on my feet.
Okay, so that's been from doing some walking?
Yes, walking I don't normally do.
Okay, and whereabouts are the blisters?
On the insides of my feet, where my shoe straps cross over.
Okay,
Top
and
of my foot.
yep, and what's the pain out of 10?
It's only about a 3.
Okay, so let's get tapping on the side of the hand.
Side of my hand.
Even though I've got this 3 out of 10 blister pain on the top of my foot,
Even though I've got this blister pain, about a 3 out of 10
on the side of my
on
foot,
the side of my foot,
where my straps go,
where my straps go.
because I've been doing more walking than I usually do.
Because I've been doing more walking than I usually do.
I accept myself
I accept myself
and how I feel.
and how I feel.
Even though I've got this 3 out of 10 pain from blisters on my feet,
Even though I've got this 3 out of 10 pain from blisters on my feet.
on the inside of my foot where the straps go.
On the inside of my foot where the straps go. Can I say feet?
Feet.
Both feet.
Feet.
Yeah.
Yes,
Both feet.
because I've been doing more walking than I usually do.
Because I've been doing more walking than I usually do.
I accept myself and how I feel.
I accept myself and how I feel.
Even though I've got this 3 out of 10 blister pain on the side of my feet.
Even though I've got this 3 out of 10 blister pain on the side of my feet.
Where my straps go.
Where my straps go.
Because I've been doing more walking than usual.
Because I've been doing more walking than usual.
I accept myself and how I feel.
I accept myself and how I feel.
Top of the head. There's 3 out of 10 blister pain.
There's 3 out of 10 blister pain.
Eyebrow. I feel it on the side of my feet.
I feel it on the side of my feet.
Corner of the eye. There's 3 out of 10 blister pain.
There's 3 out of 10 blister pain.
Under the eye. I've been doing more walking than usual.
I've been doing more walking than usual.
Under the nose, there's 3 out of 10 blister pain.
There's 3 out of 10 blister pain.
Chin. On the inside of my feet.
On the inside of my feet.
Collarbone, where my straps go.
Where my straps go.
Under the arm. I've been doing more walking than I usually do.
I've been doing more walking than I usually do.
The gamut point. So just focusing on that blister pain. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Look hard down to the left. Look hard down to the right. Circle your eyes slowly in one direction. Circle your eyes slowly in the other direction. Hum happy birthday. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hum happy birthday. Top of the head, this blister pain.
This blister pain.
Eyebrow. On the inside of my feet.
On the inside of my feet.
Side of the eye. From all this walking I don't usually do.
From all this walking I don't usually do.
Under the eye, this blister pain.
This blister pain.
Under the nose, where my straps go.
Where my straps go.
Chin, this blister pain on my feet.
This blister pain on my feet.
Collarbone, this blister pain on my feet.
This blister pain on my feet.
Under the arm, from all this walking that I don't usually do.
From all this walking I don't usually do.
Okay, take a deep breath. Okay. So how's the blister pain?
I don't feel the pain anymore, but I have taken my shoes off.
Good. All right. Okay, so that was obviously just a demonstration because you do really have to focus on saying the point and saying what you're saying as well.
Yeah.
So it takes a lot more focus. All right, so go and practice doing that.
Thanks.